ADJ is celebrating its 40th anniversary in 2025 and will use this year's Prolight Sound exhibition in Frankfurt, Germany to showcase an exciting array of new products. Visitors to the exhibition will have the opportunity to experience firsthand the stunning VisiPix Z19, the versatile HydroFlex L7 and HydroFlex L19, the powerful 40 hex panel IP, the retro-inspired Vintage X and Vintage Bar, and the innovative Encore DBX blinder. Engineered for lighting designers, rental companies and production professionals, these fixtures offer cutting-edge technology, including built-in ARIA X2 wireless connectivity, robust construction and creative flexibility. Visit booth E57 in Hall 12.1 at Prolight Sound 2025 to discover professional lighting tools that will help unleash your creativity.